Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn something really interesting about your WordPress blog. Earlier version doesn't have that option, but in the new WordPress version they have introduced one option with the help of which you can check the site health of your WordPress blog, like what is happening, what is the issue, how much space it is utilizing, and there are so many other stuffs. So in this video I'm going to explain each and everything about that option. So it's a request, please watch the video till the end so that you can learn the complete all the options. So let me go to my WordPress blog. So let me go to my WordPress dashboard. Let me log in. Alright, let me go to tools, then go for site health. So this option will give a clear overview of your WordPress blog. So it will take a bit of time to load all the options. Alright, so here it is giving a score like out of 100, how good is your website. So in my case it is about 87, which is pretty good. Anything above 90 you will get a green circle, which is really exceptional. Okay, so in the status bar you can see that I have one critical issue. So it is saying that one of the plugin that need to be updated, and also you can see here that one plugin need update. And for the improvement it is saying there are two things. One is that I have to remove the inactive themes and I have to use an updated SQL server. Alright, make a note that you should always address the critical issue because that is important. The improvement, if you feel that it is safe for your website, then you can do that or you can leave it. Now let me go to info. So here also you will get a lot of information. Let me go to first to WordPress. Now here it will show you what is the version, what is the language, what is the URL, and so many other stuffs. The second part, it will show you like how much space your website is consuming. So as you can see, like total is about 344 MB. Out of that, theme is taking about 17 MB, and the plugins are taking about 127. So you'll get an idea like how much space your blog is consuming. There are some drop-in plugins, so it will show here. Now it will show the active theme that you're using. It will show about the other themes that you have in the blog, and it will show about the plugins, what are the plugins that you have. If you go down, it will talk about the media handling. It's all about the server, like how the server is handling the media. Then here it will talk about the server, what is the server, what is the web server, then about the PHP parameters. Then here all the database information. Here all the constraints that you have set in WP config file. Then it will talk about the permission for the file systems, and finally it's about the Jetpack. So it will give a clear overview of your WordPress blog. So with the help of which you can see like if your site has any issues which you have to rectify, or how your site is good or bad. So you'll get a clear idea. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope you got some idea about this option. If you feel that you got some help, then please like the video, please share the video, and thanks for watching.